Hello guys, today we're doing question 125, a valid palindrome. The question is, a phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backwards. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So example 1, input S is equal to a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. The output is true. So after removing all punctuation and removing all characters that are not letters or numbers, a man, a plan, a canal, Panama is a palindrome because if you spell it backwards, as you can see, a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. So they're spelled the same in reverse. Example 2, race a car. The output is false because race a car is not a palindrome. In reverse, it's called raka a car, whatever that word is. And input S is true because it's an empty string. Spelled backwards is still an empty string. So let me show you how we would do this. We'll do this using 2 pointers. Let me go on the whiteboard and show you. So let's do a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. So let's say the string is a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, ... So what we do first is we remove all the punctuation and all the spaces and turn to lowercase. So let's convert that backwards. So it would be get a pen. So after converting and removing all of that, it will be a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. So that's the string. So what we would do is we'll create a left pointer, which is equal to the first value of first index value, which is 0 here, and the right pointer, which is the left minus 1, which is the end value. So we'll create here. So right, well, let's do left first. Left is equal to 0. Right is equal to length minus 1. So what we'll do is we'll iterate through a while loop and check that the left and right are matching, and if they are, we just increment left by 1 and decrement right by 1. So we go in a value and check if those letters are the same. If they're not, return false, because we know it's not a palindrome. If they are the same, we know it's a palindrome because so far the spelling is the same in reverse. So let me show you. So right now 0 and left 1 are both A. So we continue. And we now, well, actually let's go back. Let's just, yeah. So now we increment left and we decrement right. So let's say length minus 1 will be, I don't know, let's just do length minus 2 because I don't want to count all that. So now left is 1. So now we're at M. As you can see, M here and M here. So we continue. Now we go up by 1. Now left is 3, right is L, left minus 3, so A. So we continue. Now left is 4. Left is 4, right is left minus 4, so we're at N. We're at N, they're the same. We proceed. Now left is 5, right is length minus 5, so now we're at A again, minus 5A. We proceed because they match, and then we go to P. Left is 6, left is 6, length minus 6 for right, so P. So far it's all the same, as you can see. Let's do this so you can see Panama and reverse Panama. Now we go back to, now left is 7, right is length minus 7. So we're now L. Okay, they match. We can proceed. Now we're at A. we're at A again. They match. Oh, this was 8 and 8. They match. Proceed. Now we got to position 9, which is N. But you get the point. So N, N, A, and whatever this letter is, it's the same. I can't read it, but it will be the same letter. It's canal. Yeah, canal. It's a C. So as you can see, it's all spelled the same in reverse because all the letters match. So it's a return true. But let's say this one was, this letter here was something else. It was like B or something. And when we get here, they don't match. So we would return false. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is remove all letters, all values that are not letters or numbers. So I always get this function incorrect, so I'm just going to paste it. As you can see here, this replaces everything that's not a letter or number with an empty string. And it converts it to lowercase, not empty string, with nothing. So it's pretty much removed. It converts to lowercase, so all letters will match if they are the same in lowercase. Next, we create a left pointer. Let left is equal to 0. We create a right pointer, so let right is equal to s.length minus 1. So we get the end position, end letter. Now we take through a while loop. So while, let's say left is smaller than or equal to right, then we proceed. Now if si, so s left is equal to s right, then we increment left by 1 and we decrement right by 1. Else, if they're not the same, we return false because we know they're not matching. Now, when the while loop is finished, we know all letters have matched, so then we return true. Now let's run the code. As you can see, it passes. Let's submit. As you can see, this is one of the fastest methods. So this is the time complexity of O(n) as we loop for each character in the string, and a space complexity of O(1) because we're not really changing any variables, and we're just storing left and right. We're changing, pretty much checking the array in place. We're not really creating a new array. Thanks for watching.